morning, everyone. Boy, what a wonderful Carolina day. As Lisa mentioned, I'm Dwayne Parish, Director of South Carolina Parks, Recreation, and Tourism. I'm getting used to this trip coming up here because the investments these folks have made here at Carowinds. I'm going to talk just a little bit about what tourism is to the state and what this region in Carowinds means to tourism. I can tell you, in my 8 years as director, we've had tourism growth all across South Carolina. In fact, in 2018, our state experienced the 6th consecutive year of record tourism numbers. When I first started at PRT as PRT director, the economic impact on our state was $15 billion per year. Now the Palmetto State's tourism industry boasts an annual economic impact of $22.6 billion per year, which is phenomenal growth over these past 8 years, I can tell you folks, as someone who's worked in the hospitality industry and tourism industry for over 35 years, this type of economic growth doesn't just happen by chance. It's the result of timely investments from prominent members of our tourism business communities, invaluable partners like our good friends here at Carowinds, who truly understand and appreciate the value and quality of the visitor experience. Just in the past 8 years, they've proven their commitment to enhancing the visitor experience through expansion such as the Windseeker, Fury 325, Carolina Harbor Water Park, Camp Snoopy, and now Copperhead Strike and Blue Ridge Junction right behind me. These investments in the visitor experience here at Carowinds have yielded positive impacts that reach far beyond the borders of just this park. These investments provide a positive impact for York County and destinations along the Interstate 77 corridor. They've helped to provide tangible economic benefits for the many tourism-related businesses throughout the region. They've helped to generate new jobs and create opportunities for greater business development. In short, they've helped the region grow as a travel destination. Just look at the tourism growth that's happened here in York County over the past several years. In 2010, domestic visitor spending totaled just over $166 million in York County. In 2017, just 7 short years, domestic visitors spent over $245 million in York County. Annual hotel occupancy rates in the greater Rock Hill area have increased 23% during that time, and hotel revenue has increased 70% since 2010. All these increases in visitation and visitor spending have helped to generate substantial increases in the state and local tax collections that help provide core services for our residents. In fact, accommodation taxes in York County have more than doubled in the past 8 years. That's hundreds of thousands of additional dollars for local coffers paid by visitors from out of town and benefiting South Carolina and North Carolina residents. Time and again, Carowinds has proven itself to be an invaluable member of South Carolina tourism industry. Time and again, the leadership at Carowinds here has demonstrated a solid understanding of the importance in creating quality visitor experiences and reinvesting resources to rejuvenate these experiences. Through our statewide advertising efforts at PRT, we promise consumers that there's always something new to discover in South Carolina. Our friends here at Carowinds are instrumental partners who help us make good on that promise. And we look forward to continuing to work with them to grow the tourism economy right here in the Palmetto State. Thank you.